All right, hey everybody, welcome to today's video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Shane. This is the Coding Zoo, and our goal to Coding Zoo is to help others learn how to program like yourself. So in today's video, we have a quick tutorial on how to install Maven, how to install Apache Maven on Windows 10. It will also work on Windows 11 just the same. If you're interested in learning how to install Apache Maven on Windows, and that's getting it set up to run anywhere in Windows, then this video is for you. It's going to be a quick, short video just doing the installation. So if you're not familiar with Apache Maven and you've never used it in an IDE, an Eclipse or IntelliJ, something like that, then I'd recommend you watch this video up here, or maybe it's up here, somewhere up here. It's a longer video. It's going to explain what Apache Maven is. It's going to help you install it with these exact same instructions I'm just going to show you in a few minutes. And it will also show you how to use it in the IntelliJ IDE, which is very, very similar to the Eclipse IDE. It's pretty much the same thing, very close to each other. So if you need more instruction on how to use it, not only to how to install it, but how to use it, I recommend that video instead of this one. In this video, we're just going to quickly install it and make sure it works on your Windows system. Let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and download Apache Maven. So I'm going to bring up Google here. We're going to search for Apache Maven. Now you'll see there's a mavenapache.org. I'm going to click and go to download. And I'm going to go down to where it says files here. Let's see. I want to get the zip one. Apache 3.86 bin zip. We're going to download that. All right, I believe it's done. I'm going to go ahead and click on this little arrow, choose show and folder. That's going to open up File Explorer. All right, so here's the file I downloaded. I'm going to right click, choose copy, and I'm going to put it over to my another folder on my D drive. You can put the file wherever you like, just wherever you want to install it. I'm going to call it Maven. So I created a folder called Maven. I did that by right clicking, choosing new, choosing folder, and then I named it Maven. Go inside that folder. I'm going to press Control V to paste. All right, so now I have the download in this Maven folder. I am going to right click on it, choose Extract All. It's going to create a folder inside of that folder. There we go. It's done with that. So now I have this folder that has Maven inside of it. So this is not like a typical Windows install, right? This is it. It's installed pretty much. So we have to actually tell Windows where this is at. Okay, so let's do that. Now you've noticed I've gone down to the Apache Maven 3.86 and I've gone to the bin folder. I'm going to copy this path. So highlight it, Control C, and now I'm going to go to my Windows System Edit. I'm basically going to add this to my Windows System path. I want to tell Windows where this folder is at. That way it can find this Maven binary file. So now I'm going to go down to my Windows menu here, click on the start. I'm going to start typing to do a search. All right, so I'm going to type in edit system. And you'll notice it found the edit the system environment variables for control panel. I'm going to click on that, and that brings up the system properties. Now this is where we want to go to. Now there's different ways to get to here. If that doesn't work for you, you can click on the Windows icon. You can type in control for control panel. Click on control panel. Inside of control panel, you can go to system. And there's probably shorter ways, but this is one way. So inside of system here, you're going to see over here advanced system settings. I click on that. And again, we have the system properties. So I'm going to go into the system properties here. I'm going to choose this button, environment variables. So this is where you can set variables up to tell Windows where certain things are at. I'm going to go down here to system variables, and I'm going to go down to, I want to add a variable to the path. I want to add an entry to the path variable. Now you'll notice there's a path variable already defined, so I don't want to do a new variable. I want to edit this one. So I'm going to choose edit, and I want to choose new. Now if you remember, I cut and pasted the path to where I put the Maven binary files. So I'm going to do Control V to paste it. You'll see it's D Maven, Apache Maven, /bin. There we go. So I'm going to choose OK. I'm going to edit it again to make sure it's stuck. Make sure it's there. There it is at the bottom. Choose OK. Choose OK. Choose OK. I'm going to close these other windows down. Okay. Next, I'm going to open up the Start menu again. I'm going to type in Command. And the Command Prompt option will come up. I'll click on that. Now, what we did is we added that binary path, that bin folder path, to the Windows path variable, the environment variable. And what that allows us to do is that allows us to access the Maven from pretty much anywhere in Windows. If it's working correctly, I should be able to access it here. So I'm going to type in MVN for Maven. I'm going to type in space -version. And if it worked, if we had it set up correctly, you'll see this. So there we go. Maven is installed. I have Maven on my system, on my D drive, and Windows knows about it. Again, MVN-version, that's your test. Maven is installed. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope that this was very helpful to you. I hope you got it installed and it is running correctly for you. If not, or if you have any questions, leave me a message below and I'll see if I can help you. So before I jump off, just wanted to mention to you, I'm going to put up a few playlists here. Specifically, here's a Java playlist. It goes over many things in Java. I hope you enjoy it. I think you'll enjoy it. Check it out. All right, that's it for this week. Have a good one. See you next time.